Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Android mobile setting, and in this video friends, I am going to show you guys TalkBack problem solve setting. So friends, you want to fix TalkBack problem in your Android mobile. So friends, now let's see how to fix TalkBack problem one by one, step by step, and we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, in your Android mobile, you want to fix TalkBack problem, you want to solve your double tap to activate problem. So friends, now let's see how to solve and fix TalkBack problem. So friends, you can see I have double tap to activate problem in my Android mobile. Same problem you have. And friends, you can see if you tap here, you can see this green line, and you want to remove this green line, so you can remove. So friends, we will double tap on phone setting. First one tap, then double tap, then you can on phone setting. If you one tap, setting will not on. Tap here network and internet setting. Use your two finger, scroll down. If you one finger, you cannot scroll down here. Speech rate setting will on your screen. Use your two finger and scroll down. Open your phone accessibility setting. Double tap continue. After double tap, again scroll down with two finger. Open your phone TalkBack setting. Double tap continue. After double tap, friends, click here use TalkBack setting. Double tap continue. Stop button friends, one tap. Double tap continue. TalkBack will stop TalkBack problem will solve in your Android mobile. After turn off TalkBack setting, after stop TalkBack setting, if you one tap on back button, menu button, home button and menu button, you can use. Recent tab you can close with one finger, you can close. Again you want to on phone setting friends, one tap, setting will open. So like that friends, you can fix double tap to activate problem. You can fix TalkBack problem in your Android mobile. Again you want to use, so friends, tap on TalkBack setting, you can turn on TalkBack setting and you can use it. So friends, you can see one tap. Again you have this green line, double tap to activate back button, one tap, double tap to activate home button setting you can use. Double tap, you can check your recent tab, you can close your recent tab. Friends, now you can fix TalkBack with shortcut setting. Open your phone setting, double tap continue. After double tap friends, click a search option, double tap here. TalkBack setting we will search TalkBack. TalkBack setting, accessibility setting, one tap, double tap continue. TalkBack setting, double tap here. Use TalkBack, double tap. Stop button, double tap. TalkBack problem solve. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.